No setup. Just
Coming right into
up
that 730 area. So far rejecting.
Yeah, let's see if it holds the 700-ish.
Yeah, it's going to be the
I
big
still
one.
don't want to take any longs, though. I hate
Well, not
these.
now. Now when we're taking out London highs.
No, I mean, if it holds 700.
Damn. Well, that's
Amazon over 230.
That's it for your boy. Fuck.
230? 230?
It's about to be 231. Over previous day high. Wow.
Nice.
Could have had a great short there, that 730. Yeah, Amazon is pooping. Meta's trying to get going here. Let's see. That's about it.
Should have shorted that.
Yeah, same
Blow
here.
off the top.
Same here.
I just put the updated chart there at the top. I mean, same shit, different day. That was a great long. Going into the open, it was a great short right there when it hit. This is dumb.
Dumb, stupid, or dumb?
Sold majority of those SLB calls this morning out of the gate up 35%. Got a stop in place now. 2 contracts left. They're currently up 23%. JOBY, but a stop just under entry after selling just almost half position at 15 for those 2 swings before the close yesterday. XYZ runners continuing to pay downside under $65 area. This is good. This is good. This is good.
Watch Google.
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 Yeah, I feel like we're gonna hold the 700.
Mama.
It's low volume, so it's easier to push the price, guys. Just an FYI.
All right, I'm gonna close the XYZ runner here.
Okay, let's see what we get here.
110% on XYZ on the 65s, or sorry, 66s. Breaking underneath 65 here, I have no position.
Okay, AMD popping up $3 since the open. Nvidia also popping. Do we have life today in the market? Rocket Lab was down $5 overnight. It is now green.
My FJet is down. The FJet I own is down 30% today.
Oh, yes, I see. I'm looking at that right now, too.
35. That's what's going to happen.
Oh, are you in the lockout?
No, I am not in a lockup period. For the record, I own some. We're working with them. I just don't want to dump on my people. I'd rather not make money than have someone tell me I dump them. So I'm just holding.
Principled.
Yeah, but it's also, if you're creating a long-term business, that's going to hurt me more than the money I would make right now.
MNQ long scalp 3-minute CVC.
That's what I like to hear. Next thing I want to hear, meta, long. That's what I want from Maple.
I'm so salty. That was lame at open. Damn.
I did say 700 is gonna hold, huh? Damn it. No, I'm just gonna wait.
I fear a whole lot of waiting will be happening this week.
Nah, there's always opportunities for quick moves. Just gotta be fast as fuck, boy.
Yeah, I don't do quick moves.
I'm just sitting on my hands.
Yeah. There goes Google. There goes Meta. AMD, Nvidia, Microsoft could get a bounce here. What is it doing? 45.40.
Rocket Lab, RKLB, Ripper out of the gate, straight over previous day high. That is another new 52-week high.
Damn.
And McDonald's is breaking underneath that target zone there. Nice job, Sarge. 100% on McDonald puts. What?
There goes Microsoft.
Getting micro.
It's trying to push. It's trying to push.
Push it. Push it. Push it real good and real nice. Let's see. VIX is at 14. Vol-D is opening up directly on the zero line. Vol-DQ opening up positive above the zero line. Our opening tick was minus 319.
Nope. Not getting higher. Rejected 730 again there on the wick. Raggy. Tesla red.
Starting to look at contracts. So
I would be like concerned for a fake out breakout. We did break with a massive candle off of the open, so I'm gonna watch this second 10-minute candle. And if we get a green candle extension on the 10-minute, I will probably reverse the trade.
Let's go Rivian from being down 240% to about to be going green.
On the covered?
On the covered call.
Yeah.
Let me see, dude. No, they are green. From minus 240% to yesterday being down 70%. They are now up 8.5%. Let's go.
There goes Google going
You
higher.
can always count on Rivian to make me money upside and downside.
No.
Vol DQ still positive. Vol D is negative, but SPY is stronger than Q's right here. Just looking for a breakdown in the bottom zone. Here we go. There you go. Come on, a little bit more. A few more cents. I'm being greedy. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Go, 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 go. There it is. All right. Putting the order in.
Call spreads are at 50% already.
All right, trim. SPY out half.
Let's go, KC. Right here, you got bill breaker buyers up at bat. 70s, 80s. If that fails, you see 20s, 30s. That lines up with yesterday's low, 628 on NQ.
All right, stop at entry. Doesn't go red. What a great short, baby. Pull it all the way back, son. All the way back, baby. Look, the chart's there at the top of the nest. Look at the top of the red zone right up there. Look at that. Beautiful. There we go.
Right to 672 right. Here.
Come on. Give me another trim off right here, baby. Out majority, 165 on these. That's how we do it. Pretty short, guys.
Now we're right back into the same bullshit. 680 to 730 yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
We got data at 2 minutes.
There we go. That is how we do it. La, da, 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 da.
Oh, yeah.
Short in the top of the range. JOBY, new low of day. Come on, baby. Print them put swangs. JOB puts like the swang. There you go. Yes. Knife candle.
Every time I sell spreads now, Casey, I just think back to every 0 DPE trade I've taken in the past, and how much money I could have saved in the past, how much money I blew. It's like wow.
Trying to get this fill on JOBY here. Come on, fill this order, baby.
I really urge you, if you're brand new to options, don't trade them directionally at first. You can work into it.
Let's see, 40 more seconds for consumer confidence and Richmond Manufacturing Index.
Yeah, watch out here. You might get a little volatility. Might shoot up into the highs here.
Or down straight to the gulag.
Let's see, 30 seconds.
I know, I got my finger on the freaking trigger right here for a market sell, depending on how this shit goes. SPY. Come on, baby. Don't stop out my last one. Send it to
okay.
me.
3, 2, 1. And nothing. Literally nothing.
Come on, just sell it. Just fucking sell it.
Google's trying to hold up. Meta's trying to hold up. Nvidia's trying to hold up. That's it, though. Those are the only ones that are trying.
IWM has been lagging.
What's up, everybody? Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, brother.
Good morning, Will.
Back from the little holiday vacay before the New Year. Yeah,
Good
I
stuff. Did you enjoy?
Yo,
We
what's up,
did.
Will?
Yeah, it was good. It's
Good.
was in my hometown of Michigan. Unfortunately, watched the Lions get smoked by the Steelers.
There's a 10-minute EMA here, 75 to scale if you're short.
Come on. SPY hasn't made the move. Come on. 684.80.
Under London Orb on 10-minute gives me the idea we see London Orb low, which is only like 12 points lower. 10-minute 200's right at 662.
There you go. Come on. Come on. Bring it in.
That bid's there.
Bring it in. Let me short the tippity toppity. Tippity toppity short. Come on.
Call spreads are over 50% here.
London Orb low hit now. We're up about 70 points here. I'm looking for my hundo. That'd be at a low of day break.
Here we go. Oh, break it.
Yeah. No way this sets up for me to Iron Condor again today.
It might. Yeah.
That would be perfect.
I'm watching.
It's tight though. It's definitely tight. Not a lot of ball in there.
No, not at all.
The VIX at 14 makes it tough.
There we go, baby. What a short. Let's go. Bang. All right, here we go. There it is, baby. All right, I'm closing up. Closing up shop.
623 calls. I sold at 14 cents at 4.
684.80 target hit, spoken into fucking existence. And fill this order. Fill the order.
Good stuff.
And I'm out.
Here we go. Give me my hundo. Low day
There it
break,
is.
baby.
All
Beautiful.
out SPY puts.
Give it a 100-point gain. MNQ. We did it again, like every day for 2 months.
To go.
I have to hold down to the runners.
Let's fucking go.
I didn't realize that was a mute here. Oh,
Let me take a guess. You went short.
Yes.
yeah, I did. For myself too. At the end, like an idiot. Okay, let's see.
What? Short. Let's go. Oh, they just gonna continue it though?
They should.
Dang.
Yesterday low just broke.
There, go.
I'd this CBC flip,
got
it
wet
already
too.
broke the pivot. So I look at this just like we took that fake out breakout at pre-market high. I'm gonna watch the following 10-minute candle after this one closes. And you could see a good long off of this if they're just gonna range it in the orb.
We did tap what's it called? Yesterday's low on Qs, so they could, yeah, if they don't push it lower here, it's just gonna be a range day the rest of the day now. And that
Blow
was
up the highs too, like 30, 40 bucks.
20 is a level I've got.
Yeah, I like it, Will. I think I have to wait 5 more minutes for the next 10-minute candle, but I think previous day low, London Orbs in play, 448s. Down to
Yeah, I
442.
shorted 45.05
Beautiful.
on that break of kind of the overnight. So about 30, 40 bucks.
I'm gonna trim up some JLBY here.
Yeah, I have the same thing, Minx. I have like 617 I'm watching.
Yeah.
Maybe we finally fill that gap. QQQ.
Yeah, small caps taking a little bit of a hit today. The higher rates. Yeah, consumer missed. I don't know if anybody said that 89.1 versus 91. For the confidence board numbers. Just kind of scanning around. Nothing really going on. Apple just dead middle of the last 4 or 5 day range.
Yeah, I'm just sitting here. I got nothing.
Google is strong.
JPY. Dying. Let's go. The flow yesterday on those 13 puts.
How about Carvana? KC is still in Carvana's at 426.
I'm waiting for this gap fill. I have a 400 put lotto for January 16. Called it out puts yesterday here on Spaces. Caught that morning drop all the way down to about 11 a.m. It was freaking beautiful. And then just for a day trade. But yeah, I've been in this CVNA put for January. Want to see that gap fill.
Apple has a wild little stick there.
Yeah.
Right back to all high.
Pulled a nice 40-cent bounce there. Nothing else is really to do it though. Ooh, man. I don't know why I'm yawning.
Dude, the juice in the Tesla options are just out of control. I mean, the February, think about this. The February, okay, so 60 days out, 59 days.
Well, yeah, that far it's always juicy.
Yeah, but the 990 calls are trading for 50 cents. That's crazy.
I mean,
Yeah, it's juicy.
Ooh, IWM with some big reds.
Yeah, a little bit of weakness there in the small caps. I was long the futures into this morning, and I covered them. Well, I shouldn't say covered. I sold them right at on that print on the GDP number.
that was a high GDP print, actually. Super high.
Yeah, decently higher than the last couple.
Yeah, for sure.
4.3 is a lot.
It's a lot.
See, to be up like
Versus 3.8, yeah.
That would be short gold. That would be like exactly what you're looking
Oh,
for.
is that what that means?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's what I was short at.
It would be short gold, ultra long queues. Like your gold money goes directly into the queues is what that would be. But we saw both pull back a little bit here.
Grab the short here at 669. Just to give it a go here. I want to see if we tap these nines, 9 EMA, as well as that level right there at just
I'm gonna
about
take it with you
670.
now. I like that
Yeah.
MNQ short for a ladder here.
Me too.
10-minute green.
Okay, up 15% and up 12 points there on the futures.
Picking up.
I'm trimming some of the QQQ puts for 20% there.
First break once IB forms is projected to be the IB low.
So posty 620, please.
Yeah. So maybe don't expect this to be low a day or anything.
There we
I'm
go.
gonna de-risk a little bit here. 12-point gain, covered half.
Yep, me
Shout out
too.
Knox.
There we go. I got to stop in profit and up 30% on those QQQ puts. Up 45% on those QQQ puts. I trimmed again.
Yeah, I'm gonna cover more here. 20-point gain, covered a quarter. Just hot potato with these down here.
Hot potato. Oh God, that's a new one.
Hot potato, hot potato.
I mean, that is the perfect way to
Potato.
describe trading 0 DTE options.
No doubt about that. Hot taters.
Grab. Can't rob the same bank twice, you know.
It's actually like hot potato, but
You
you're
can if
trying to
nobody's working
peel
at the
as
front
much
desk.
potato off of it as you can.
Will.
Well, he's got experience.
Do you take a bite of the potato as it goes around, Jordan?
Yeah, something like that.
Sometimes the best trades are some ones you can just rinse and repeat. You just kind of put them on repeat and just keep going.
Agreed.
Don't overcomplicate it.
Can we just get down to 620 for God's sakes?
I think your bigger area in that
I took gold long here for a fake out breakout under or below.
68.50.
Yeah. I just need like $70. And it's no, not 70. I suck at math.
I suck at math.
I do, you guys. I
Appreciate
suck
the
at
brutal
math.
honesty. Sectors, what's the world doing? What do we got? Tech down. Financials. Posted this chart the other day. You do have this big, longer term trend line on the financials on the weekly. It's just hitting its head right at this 55 on the XLF.
You know, I feel like Hughes is gonna squeeze in a second, but I mean, there's no volume and I don't have a trigger.
Paper.
What?
Kaete.
Kite.
I mean, it's trying to go down, but it's holding.
I know, but let's not speak that into existence.
Okay.
I'm all out my short.
Yep. I just covered
I think it's
some.
time I might open a put spread down here.
Why is Apple being strong?
Because the rest of
It's because it's done going down. I mean, it came down a decent chunk.
Let's see. If I was going to open a put spread, what would I be looking at?
Always 613s.
Me trying to make like 80 or $200 or something
Yeah,
down
maybe.
480. Bro.
Or if you're a dog, 620, 614.
Should I be a dog?
I
A
mean,
dog.
I'm a dog, so.
I got that dog in me. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Dog.
I QQQ. I
So,
think I'm gonna go upside.
yeah, Knots, if you want to join the bark circle, I would,
Watch me get slapped if I do that. Jesus.
Are we talking root beer?
yeah.
Trailing stop hitting profit there, MNQ.
Yeah.
I know.
Nice little trade, though. For the guys and gals.
Is there a place you can practice trading spreads without having a real live account? 20K plus in it, like a prop firm. That lets you do spreads.
Banker's Fund.
Whoa, lucky you.
TOS. Yeah.
We have well, there's Vanquish. They were wanting a prop firm for it.
I spoke to them last night.
Oh, did you? Trevor,
Yeah, Max,
Trevor's a great guy.
Max and Trevor, yeah. Trevor's getting on a plane. So the platform that they use has been around for a minute.
Okay, because I love the platform. I keep talking about it. I'm like,
it's a Forex platform.
It
Is it?
Like Webull, it feels like Webull and TOS put together. That's what I get from it. It's very interesting.
Yeah,
What's
it's
the
not
name of the platform?
DX Trades.
DX Trader, yeah. I'd never used it before, and I'm always skeptical with new platforms. So I was like,
Yeah, it's not like a custom their platform. It's an existing platform.
Yeah.
That's mostly known for Forex.
I didn't know that.
I don't know that either. I don't trade Forex, so.
It works well, I'll say. I haven't had an issue.
Now I think we break over this 70 area that we shorted before.
Well, this PA is like price action is like super snail speed. What's happening?
The SPY chart should be in the nest. It'll show the red zone at the high, and then the target downside. You'll see that yellow line across at 684.49. It's no surprise that is where SPY is bouncing right now. That's the reason why it was target downside. We are just playing ping pong, or as Maple said, hot potato, back and forth in this area, upside and downside until proven otherwise, for lower risk, higher reward trade setups intraday.
I got a put spread.
Yep. In the chat, use code Wolf at Vanquish. You can trade options on prop right there. A lot of us on the panel are as well. Nice bounce from the lows, but as soon as 1030 hits, there's still a 76% chance that we take out baggy low.
1 second. Qs.
I'm gonna post this up top. Just look at this Qs. I think this is the state of the market right here for the next few days or few sessions. I think we just stay kind of in this this triangle. We just kind of build this out and then break at some point.
Sold the 614 puts on Qs and bought the 610 puts. You get 9 cents. It was 10 cents actually.
The CMPS calls, the swings for January 2028 are green again here. Still in this position for a long-term swing. It still looks really good. Never traded this one before, but when things look like shit at the lows, I gotta look for a potential buy. You have a potential monthly falling wedge setting up, and then you have your weekly cup and handle set up right now. So nice retest around $5.20, getting that push back up right now for this handle. And now it's back at the top of the range near that $7. So starts getting that move over 7 up to 750 will be what I'm looking for to start trimming out, and then eventually have those calls start to really move if it starts to break above 850. Plenty of time on this trade.
There we go.
Back in that little trap zone.
Yep. Time to do nothing. sell my put spreads and walk the hell away.
Get the hell out of here. You don't want to trade on the short Christmas week?
Hell no, I got my trades in.
I'm surprised I actually took 2 swing trades overnight that went green. That was something I said I was not looking forward to doing.
I just put on some neutral direction, directionless stuff the last couple days. Like I got an Amazon Strangle that I put on Friday that's just doing nothing, which is perfect. Expires on Friday. We could, this could be a point in the markets where we start to, maybe we just trade sideways for a bit. It's very possible we do that.
Just for the week.
Yeah.
Because next week is Opskis.
Yeah.
Santa comes to town on Friday. That's what they said.
Yeah, I think that the Qs, we got this triangle on the daily. We're just going to probably build out from in here the next week or so.
Watch to see if we get under 660 here on NQ. If we get weak, it's either 660 or 685. Upside, downside.
Low volume, easier to push.
Mm-hmm. NVIDIA new high day. Oh,
Yeah, NVIDIA's
wow.
pushing.
AMD had a nice bottom set up there. Shit. That would have been a nice trade. That would have been a very clean trade, to be honest. Oof.
That's some volume, too.
Yeah.
Is that news? Because, nothing else moving like these guys. China sales.
I don't know.
The 50-day on NVIDIA is 185.70, give or take. So it's still got a little overhead.
Rivian getting its ass beat. Drop it down to 20, baby.
I wanted 18.
Go.
I want 18. I actually want like 1840, but
Yeah. I have limit orders vesting right now.
I don't know if
Oh.
I don't. Honestly, I do think we get it because
Oh yeah, we should totally get it.
realistically, nothing has changed other than they're gonna be sexy.
I'm up 56% now. Let's go.
Dude, the
Love it.
Rivians, have you seen the R3? Like,
I have.
I want an R3 like immediately, but they're pissing me off.
Well, that's till 2028, I think,
Nah, maybe
or
late
2027. Really?
Late 26, early 27 if I'm lucky. But which means that between R2 and R3, this is transition year big time for Rivi. Like a big one.
I think I'll say right now, I'll go out on a limb. I'll take the contrarian play that after the earnings for the fourth quarter, they're going to get smoked.
No. So any kind new models, things like that, there's going to be serious issues, right? So it's not going to be a clean ride.
Because EV sales in the fourth quarter, as far the auto industry as a whole, are getting absolutely killed in the fourth quarter. They're down massively. Which is why I'm like, all right, well, this is like the lows. So they pulled those tax credits away. So I think the EV automakers are going to, and unfortunately, maybe Tesla.
I'll just say this: I live in California, and Newsom is a tard. And and dude, they're like this. They're like this. If you have a hot water heater in your house, they're gonna stop selling those like this year.
My funded futures is good. I just realized I had myself muted like an idiot. My funded futures is one of them, Mikey.
Like 13 or like 14% of the GDP or something. California.
Yeah, it says late 2026, early 2027.
California's 14 to 14.5% of total U.S. GDP.
Wow. Yep.
I might join Mates on this. I have a QQQ 620 call would be that open range high and pre-market high.
Paper, do you own any Zeta?
No.
Any reason why?
Small cap, AI, marketing. I know that you said it's enterprise. If it's going to be enterprise play, it's going to take a long time.
Mhm.
So to me, in my mind, I have more time. Braze would be the second backup for.
Oh, I remember you telling me about Braze.
SMBs. They had a good earnings, but I've watched Braze for a year. To see like, all right, well, how they do, I would essentially equate it to Zeta, but I don't have the bandwidth necessarily to get in the weeds on it.
Yeah, I remember you telling me about Braze.
But Rivi, I do.
Oh, we know it's coming for Riv. It's gonna take some time, but we know.
Rivi, I need my after hoodie. I had two stocks that I was like 10x in 10 years. First one was Rocket Lab. That's already hit it.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next one was Rivian.
I like. What else do you have on the 10x list?
10x in 10 years? I have to get back to you. Well, some of these regionals, there's one regional that has not recovered like at all that I have my eye on, but I think it might be, the regionals might be like a Basel III thing with the under $100 billion net assets under management situation. When that goes through, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but you could look into it. Basel III, look it up, what it does. And there are some banks, like the old New York Community Bank, FLG is the ticker, has not made any progress since Silicon Valley. And the thing is, like, in the low teens, dude.
Flagstar?
But they've also kept their assets under management under 100 billion, which is super interesting. And so when Basel III Endgame goes, anybody with assets over that is going to have like a lot of regulatory issues, but they've specifically avoided it so far.
Interesting. I gotta look that up. Okay, here's the chop part of the day. Now we're gonna chop from 690s to probably 620s all day.
Chop
The Rivian position's up 60%. I have not touched it. I feel comfortable leaving it and letting it hopefully expire for full profit of 100% on the whole position.
Look at NVIDIA trying to go for this 50 right here.
Could be proven wrong, but I'm willing to accept the risk. The APP short played out. There's some call flow in AMD.
I was going to say, look at AMD. If NVIDIA goes, AMD's in a really good spot.
Yep.
215 calls for December 26th expiration. A few sweeps coming in on these just around.
Yeah, it's a perfect setup.
$2.
We broke VWAP here, 15-point gain, MNQ. I'm going to sell half.
Oh, what a bounce.
Nice. Good man.
Yes.
That's a good boy right there.
That my dog.
That is my dog.
That's my dog. Gold, still trying to hold or below. Maybe it's the little engine that could. Who knows?
Maybe it's the little engine.
Called already at 235.
Bitcoin is a little better intraday than it has been for the past few trading sessions. The 87 reclaim, kind of perky.
Our airline's pulling back a little bit. intraday. Yeah, Delta sold off a little bit. LUV kind of coming back down. American Airlines giving back yesterday's move.
Okay. let's
Walmart.
do-
Oh my goodness, the greatest foot swing of the last week.
Is it just dying day after day?
Hell yeah, just straight, just makes a low and then consolidates and then sells off, consolidates, and it just did it again today. Sold off at the open and just chilling. That is the first and last time I will ever take that trade. Can't do it again. And will really never text me back if I do it again.
No, he wouldn't. He really wouldn't. He would not be happy.
From 240 to 420.
Nice.
All right, looking more constructive. Zero tick though. Cumulative negative. Net flow is still negative.
He's at 75.
I'll just chop it sideways all day. You still have data calling for IB low, so I'll chop for that. Maybe.
I have data. Consumer confidence coming in hot.
No.
We have consumer confidence right now.
It already happened.
Yeah, wait.
My thing is like flashing.
Well, it's flashing wrong. Consumer confidence was.
Okay.
It's
Refresh
flashing.
screen. Refresh screen. Oh, there it is. What do we have? Node auctions.
Google
Money
looking to
supply.
get back up there. Watch Googs.
Google it.
Mama. Also watch Amazon. I think Amazon's about to turn around 5-minute inverted hammer right above the 21 EMA. Keep that on watch.
Turn around.
Amazon and Google.
What if it's Apple? 270.
Gotta love a good evening star. Thank you, Walmart. Here to go. Something about percussion.
Thank you. Just try to go red to green there. I did tap it for a penny. Jordy, did you sell put side too or no?
Yeah,
Ooh, what'd you get?
I got the 614s, but I got
Okay.
them at freaking 25 cents, brother, at 9.
Oh, you got them when they were at 25 cents?
Yeah.
Holy schmoly.
Uh,
Honestly, I would close those. I mean, you don't have to.
Mhm.
Actually, we're $5 away from that. I don't think we're getting there. I would just probably let it expire.
yeah, I'm just rolling with it.
So what I do is if I gain like literally 50% plus within minutes, I'm just closing them.
Yeah, there's still a high chance we can take out this IB low, though, which kind of worries me.
Yeah, but now we're getting back to the 700.
The thing is I can withstand that move if it's a slower kind of choppy move down, not like an aggressive sell straight down.
There's 30-point gain M and Q. I'm gonna sell a quarter.
Can watch Google and Amazon.
Rivian, another new low.
Google could probably rock up to the end of the day here. Let's see.
I do like this googly doogly. I wish I was already in it, but I don't
Yeah, I
mind
know.
chasing a little here.
I missed the entry right there at that 312.80 on that little
Yeah.
mini pullback.
Yeah, I have 312.70.
Yeah.
I don't know why I have that, but I do.
I'm gonna wait a second. I actually think I'm gonna take a trade on it myself too.
Let's see. SPY's back at the top of the range here.
What the hell is that Netflix fake wick? Ugh.
I think we're gonna take that previous high from earlier that I shorted, and we'll probably have a slow melt up.
Netflix is still so ugly on the daily.
Mm-hmm. Still got to get to those 80s.
That's where I think I had an alert set at 85 to buy equity.
Potential reversal. I'd love to see VWAP like 503, 502.
Yeah, Netflix looks like a bear flag on the daily.
Mm-hmm.
About to break. Hasn't broken yet, but it looks heavy.
Yeah,
if it comes down to 83, bounces, goes back to 100, rejects, it'll form a head and shoulders on the weekly.
Yeah, that'll could be insane. Scary there.
But I have an alert set around 85 bucks to start looking at potential.
Yeah, that weekly low is 82.11 on Netflix.
Mm-hmm.
So right in that space, I think we just got to go there. It'll set up nice though, because if we do get there, you should get the RSI to get in the oversold on a weekly, and that would be a nice area of support.
Yeah.
Below that takes you all the way down to about 70 bucks.
70. I just put an alert on the chart for 70.
I sold half.
That November 2021 high.
And then you got your catching up 200 weekly all the way down to 61.69. That's a waste though.
NVIDIA and AMD.
Got to fall apart to go there.
Rip it, gold.
All right, come on, take the high.
There's 40 points here on MNQ. We have the CVC bullish now, and we are outside of the London Orb high, which leads me to believe that we see a continuation of a buy imbalance with these sellers at London Orb high covering, pushing us to the next wave of sellers at pre-market high 740.
Nice. AMD can do this thing.
NVIDIA signals and overlays is flipping bullish here. Sorry, BK. Flipping bullish here on the 3-minute for gold. We just got our first 2 purple candles, which shows an early sign of reversal.
I'll take those AMD
Right.
It looks too good.
You can have a little pullback. That's fine. The only issue I have, NVIDIA's like on the 50 right now, like just peeked its little head over it.
Okay.
Like a reversal too.
I'm watching Amazon for
Amazon looks good.
the buy now. Yeah, instead of Google, I'm watching Amazon.
I'm short Tassie at the same time. Small, but it's a weird. Tassie's just so going sideways as shit right now, though.
Okay, guys, I have to go pick up my dog from the vet. I will be back. I'm gonna start the live when I get back. So